In this video, we will go through the BIZSALES function. The BIZSALES function is used to pull in sales data from the business reports. There are a few things to keep in mind. The first one is to make sure to install and activate the add-on using the subscription ID. In case the subscription ID does not save, you will need to use the incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google cache issue. Other than this, for users living in the Spanish-speaking countries, they will need to use semicolon instead of comma, depending on their locale settings. So let's start with the BIZSALES function. So here is the function. The first parameter is seller ID. Seller ID is required. I have my seller ID in D1. Then comes the period. Period is also required, and I have the period selected here in B1 as the last 60 days. So these two are the required fields, the required parameters. You can ignore all the other parameters. So here I'm using this seller ID in D1, and the period is last 60 days. This is the SKU range or the essence range. You can use SKUs or essence. You can use a single SKU or SN, or you can use a range as well. So I have those selected, and then I have selected the US marketplace right here. So last 60 days US and the SKUs here. So let's see the data that we get. The first one is ordered product sales. This is the amount in US dollars. Right here it says currency code as well. So this is the value and this is in US dollars. These sales are for non-B2B, and then these ones are B2B. So B2C and B2B, and then again we have the values here, the amounts, and the currency code is US dollars. Then we have the units column. So these are the B2C units that were ordered, and these are the B2B ones. Then this is the total ordered items, and then the same for B2B. So this in itself is quite simple. You have already been using the same report in Amazon Seller Central, and now Amazon has just opened its business reports through the API. Thank you.